I hope you had some good mangoes this season. I did. I could say it is yummy because I am able to cut the mango with my teeth and taste it with my tongue. Today, we are going to learn about our tongue and teeth. Our tongue. Tongue is all muscle and no bone. It is very flexible. You can move it upwards, downwards, sideways, anything. Tongue helps you to lick, taste, swallow, and speak. It extends from the back of your mouth and is attached to the floor of your mouth. The upper surface of your tongue has these tiny bumps. Those bumps contain the taste buds. The taste buds are grouped in groups of 4 and they help you to taste 4 kinds of taste: sweet, salt, bitter, and sour. Let's talk about our teeth. Our teeth help us to cut, tear, chew, and grind our food. Teeth is what gives shape to our face. We are able to speak clearly because of our teeth. Humans have 2 sets of teeth, temporary and permanent. The temporary teeth are also called milk teeth. We have 20 of them. They emerge when a child is 6 months old and are fully developed when the child is 2 years old, and eventually lose them when the child becomes 6 years old. It is around this time when the child starts getting their permanent teeth. The permanent teeth are there to stay for a long time, and we have 32 of them, 16 on each jaw. Now let's look at the parts of our teeth. We have 2 parts, the visible part and the invisible part. The visible part contains the crown. The crown has 3 layers. The first layer, or the topmost layer, is the enamel. Each tooth is covered with a hard white layer called enamel. You know, this is the hardest substance in your body. Enamel is responsible to protect your teeth from decay. It gives color to your teeth. Below the enamel is the second layer called the dentine. It provides support to the enamel. Dentine transmits impulses from the enamel to the pulp. The third layer under the dentine is the pulp. Pulp is a soft area that contains nerves, blood vessels, and connecting tissues. This supplies nutrients and moisture to the teeth. Let's look at the invisible part. The root is the invisible part of the teeth. This is the part that secures the tooth to the jaw. It's like an anchor. There are 4 kinds of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Incisors are the 8 teeth in the front and center of your mouth. They are the teeth that help you to bite into food. You have 8 of them, 4 on each jaw. Right next to the incisors are the canines. You have 4 of them, 2 on each jaw. Canines are the sharp teeth that help you to cut and tear the food. After that, you have premolars. Premolars are also called as the cracking teeth. They are broad and they are next to the canines. You have 8 of them, 4 on each jaw. Premolars help you to grind and mash the food. Behind the premolars are the molars. The molars help us in vigorous chewing. There are 12 of them, 6 on each jaw. The molars include the wisdom teeth. These teeth comes between the age of 17 and 25. Some people have 4 of them, some have fewer. Why is it important to take care of your teeth? The healthier your teeth, the happier you are. There are two common problems associated with not taking care of your teeth. One is the cavities, another one is plaque. What are cavities? Acid from the food particles left in your mouth destroys the enamel by causing holes called cavities. These are permanent damage and only a dentist can repair it by filling these cavities. Another problem is plaque. The food particles left in your mouth leaves a yellow deposit which damages the teeth. The gums also get damaged. So, how can we take care of our teeth? I'll suggest a few things that we can do to take care of them. The first thing is to brush. It is good to brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes. You have to brush your teeth twice a day, morning and bedtime. Change your brush after every 3 months. It is good to use a soft bristle brush. How to brush the right way? Turn to page 137 on your textbook and you can read it there. You can also find it on YouTube. It is important that you brush correctly. The next thing you can do is to use a floss. Floss help you to clean the food particles that are stuck in between your teeth. Take the help of your parents to learn how to use a floss. The next important thing for you to do is to eat the right food. Milk and milk products are rich in calcium, which are very good for your teeth. Eat a lot of fresh fruits. Avoid eating too much sugar and chocolates. Visit the dentist once in a while for a checkup. Also, after every meal, rinse your mouth. These are some of the things that you can do to make your teeth stronger. You can find this lesson, Tongue and Teeth, in your textbook from page numbers 135 to 140. Read the lesson and answer the questions at the end of the lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning about your tongue and teeth. Here is an activity I want to suggest that you can do one of these days. The next time you visit a dentist, try to find out about the tools he uses. You can ask him, you can gather information and make notes of them. Take care of your teeth. Bye.